cruelty that put me in my grave. Hands tied behind my back, and I've been throwing white flags. Why don't we give peace a chance? You and I were on a path, then you stabbed me in the back, and I ain't going out like that. Remember when we made a pact? Now we're at war, it's all we have. Battle now alive. All the years I kept inside, should've known it from the start. Before we were enemies, could've hid away my heart. Would've stopped another tragedy. Yeah, you hit me on the mark. Before we were enemies, could've hid away my heart. Would've stopped another tragedy.
They say someone against you really can't hurt you, but if they were someone you cared for, the damage is different. Your armor non-existent, trusted so I wasn't resistant. I gave you light to shine with me, but over time you wanted to dim mine. You took it all from me. Even when you and I were family, before you became the enemy. Nah, I don't wanna fight with you, but you gave me the gloves. No more love. These are the tears that I've cried, emotions in the open, no more side. All these years I kept inside. The damage is done.
Should've known it from the start.